Howdy everyone, this is Grandpa with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so we're at the fabulous Mirra here. We've walked in, and I want to just kind of show off the lobby and the first floor and everything that's here. So my buddy Joseph is over there. He's already set me up, taking care of me. You'll love working with him. There's the leasing center that's over here. That's really nice. But then here are the amenities. So we start with here. It's pretty cool. So you've got, this is probably 30 something feet tall. It's very, very tall. You've got a really nice area over here. These are just kind of a resident lounge area. So it's a fun area. I like the circles, by the way. It's just really kind of sophisticated and cool to see these circles. Really cool areas. Wouldn't you love this? Would it just be sitting this all the time? There's a lot of plugs in there too, so you can work from there. There's also this other area over here. This is a pool table, so you can play pool. And then look at, oh gosh, look at the light fixture here. How modern and fun and cool. So you'd have this kind of really cool vibe that's going on here. You've got pool sticks over there, and you've got a TV going on with the pool network, I guess. That's pretty cool. And then you've also got more resident lounge kind of areas over here. This is all really, really neat. You've got some benches benches over here too with plugs. It's really, really fun here. I also like the free coffee that's here, and there's some free water also. Very cool setup here, and it's a wonderful, wonderful first floor. Most of the amenities are pretty much here. There's a pool. We're gonna go get that separately. That's right over there. So the pool is right over there. And then the mail center is over here too. So we're gonna catch that, just kind of give you a little view of it over here. That's what it looks like. So pretty cool. Again, more areas over here to work. So I like how many areas are here on the first floor to work in. This is pretty cool. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll be happy to answer your questions or set up a tour. By the way, I do see a great area on the second floor. That's a good, more official co-working area. We're gonna check that out right now.